Objects in Autocad are categorized as simple objects and compound objects. Simple objects are single objects, example line, circle, arc, etc. Whereas compound objects will have component objects in those objects. Polylines, blocks, etc. are examples. You can take a compound object back to component objects using the XPLODE command. And I'm sure that you're all familiar with XPLODE command in Autocad. But there is a command called XPLODE. In this video, I deal with XPLODE and EXPLODE. So let's get started. You're already familiar with XPLODE command, which can be used to split a compound object to component objects. For example, this is a polyline, and if I give XPLODE command, and if I select this polyline, it will lose its width, which is an indication that it is no longer a polyline. When you click on this, you can see that it is split into individual arcs. When I click on this rectangle, you can see that it's a single compound object, but when I explode it, it is split into individual objects. Same is the case with this particular block of a two-panel window. Now when I click on this block, it's a single object, and when I explode it, it is taken back to individual component objects with which this block is created. This is a rectangular array. When I click on this array object, you can see that it's a single object. Now I'll give XPLODE command and select the array. Now you can select the component objects in it. So that's a function of XPLODE command. But if you want to explode an object at the same time you want to change the properties, you can use XPLODE command. I'll select this block. Now the various properties are displayed. If you want, you can change the color. I'll just click on the color. Now I'm asked to give a new color. I'll type 2. 2 is the color number for yellow. Now you can see that all the colors of the component objects in this block got changed to yellow in one go. At the same time, it is exploded. Now when you click on these objects, you can see that it is split into component objects. I'll undo this. Now when you look at the block of this window, you can see that the various components in this window are kept in different layers. Now I'll try XPLODE again. Select the window. Then I'll click on layer. Now I'm asked to give a new layer name. Suppose if I want to bring all these component objects into the 0 layer, I'll type 0. Now you can see that all these objects are taken to the 0 layer in one go. At the same time, it is exploded. I'll undo this operation again. I'll give XPLODE again. You can also change properties such as line type and line weight using the same method. Here you have another option that is inherit from parent block. When you click on this option, it will get exploded. At the same time, it will retain the original properties. Now you can see that none of the properties is changed. But you do have an XPLODE command in the XPLODE. That is this particular option. When you click on that, it will perform the normal explode. Now let's try XPLODE command on this array object. I'll click on the color option. Now I'm asked to give the new color. I'll type 1. 1 stands for red. You can see that the color of all the objects got changed in one go. The array object is also exploded. So that is a basic difference between these two commands. Hope this video was informative. Please hit the like button of this video if you liked it and drop your valuable comments at the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sabir CAD. Until I catch you in another informative video on CAD, bye bye and take care. Thank you so much for your time.